reforged icon that demonstrates electric powertrains are the way of the future. The 2026 BMW M3 Electric is more than simply a new model. It's a revolution in the automotive industry. Boldly reimagining the classic M3 for a new era, BMW M has created a car that combines unrivaled precision with technical wizardry to produce devastating power, a combination that no internal combustion engine has been able to equal. It raises the bar for sports sedans in every respect and is tailor-made for perfectionists who want nothing less than the best. Revolutionary in design, the 2026 M3 Electric's quattro-motor arrangement reimagines control and performance. The astonishing M3 Electric's powertrain features 4 separate electric motors that provide a total of 1,300 HP. Its immediate rival to hypercars is the 0-100 km/h. Acceleration possible because to this tremendous power, which is instantly delivered and allows for acceleration in under 2 seconds. This quad-motor system is all about control, not just power. It uses M-specific torque vectoring. Incredibly precise power transmission to each wheel is now possible thanks to a specialized control unit created by BMW M experts. Because of this, the vehicle is able to experience torque vectoring like never before, giving it a thrilling and remarkably stable feel when cornering, something that is impossible with conventional all-wheel drive systems. The M3 Electric rides on BMW's revolutionary Neue Klasse platform, which is lightweight and uses the battery as a stressed component of the chassis. The M3's renowned balance and agility are not only preserved, but actually improved as a consequence of the lower center of gravity and precise 50-50 weight distribution. A daring and intentional development of the Neue Klasse concept. The M3 Electric combines aggressive, motorsport-inspired features with a sleek, futuristic appearance. The dramatically flared wheel arches fit larger, 20-inch alloy wheels and sticky, performance tires, creating a broader and lower stance than the normal 3 Series. These parts aren't ornamental. They house the sophisticated suspension and provide excellent traction. The electric powertrain is aerodynamically optimized with a distinctive, closed grillage grille at the front end, and wider side air intakes direct airflow to the batteries and brakes. A greater driving range is the consequence of reduced drag, which is achieved by contoured bodywork and flush door handles. With its distinctive LED front and back illumination, ultra-thin headlamps, and distinctive taillight design, the M3 Electric exudes an air of technological sophistication and road dominance. Thanks to its innovative battery technology and convenient charging features, the M3 Electric isn't just a race car, it's a fantastic all-arounder. With its next-gen high-density battery, the M3 Electric can go more than 400 miles on a single charge. The M3 Electric can be charged from 10 to 80% in 20 minutes.